Hey everybody, what is up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to record your voice on GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. After opening it up, it's going to look like this. If you do not already have the application, just go and download it from the App Store, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by all the options right here that you can use for recording yourself, such as the drums, keyboard, you can select the instruments, you can plug in and play, and so on. But guys, for recording our voice, we are going to be using the audio recorder option right here. So let's go ahead and open up audio recorder by tapping on it right here. That's going to enable us to see all the options that we can access right here and how we can access them. So as you can see, we can get started with the recording process, and it says for us to record the iPhone, we want to go ahead and point it towards the sound you want to record and then tap the record button. The record button is this big red circle at the top of the screen. So guys, once you're ready, you want to go ahead and click on that button, as you can see, and once clicking the button, it's going to start the tempo process and allowing you to go ahead and record your voice and get started with adding your effects. So just go ahead and point it towards where you want to talk, get started with talking, singing, doing whatever you want, and after recording you can even add effects right here. But in the upper left corner you can click on edit mode, and in the edit mode, this is where our voice is going to appear. As you can see, we have our audio recording option of the recording we made, and now we can get started editing it, adding effects we want to use, and saving it later on. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.